Hi, I'm Dr. Greg MacLuckie, keynote speaker and retired chiropractor from Aurora, Ontario. In 2012, a car struck me traveling over 74 kilometers an hour. I lost all vital signs, scored a 3 in the Glasgow Coma Scale, spent 30 days in a coma. I didn't just survive, I rebuilt completely. In that rebuild, I built a methodology for transforming breakdown into identity, into reason, into purpose, into resilience. And with that, I take it to HR organizations, insurance associations, healthcare departments, and the message is so simple. It's not what you can do, it's what you can do. I've presented to 1,400 professionals at the Canada Sales Congress and to corporate audiences all across Ontario.
That's it. Parts department. Come on, what's IT people? Let's go. Let's move. There we go.
I'm not a wellness speaker. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm a category of one. I'm a retired chiropractor who spent over a decade experimenting on himself, experimenting on his brain and body that had no business surviving. And that experimentation, well, that became a methodology. And that methodology, that's what I bring to the stage.